Alrighty guys, so we have our floor press, hips elevated. Basically this is trying to mimic more of a decline bench press, decline press per se. So with this, all we're doing is making sure that once we're set up, we're just popping those hips up in the air, ready to go. It's not going to make a massive difference in the pec where we're hitting. It will be slightly different. However, you may find that if you have some shoulder injuries or impingement or just kind of really annoyed shoulders at the point of doing this floor press, you may possibly find that raising the hips also makes it a little bit better. It might give it a bit of relief because the shoulder can sit in place, the head of the humerus can sit in place of that shoulder girdle a little bit easier. So as we go through, first things first is safety. Make sure those dumbbells start in front of you, and as we lie down, we hinge up, and that way we're in place. From here again, you can go neutral grip as I am, or out onto the 45, like so. From there, we're lifting those hips up, we're squeezing the glutes, coming into that full hip extension. Then from there, making sure that those shoulder blades are pinned back, and then we're pressing straight up. There shouldn't be any load on the head or neck. Like, of course, it's going to be laying on the ground, but you shouldn't be pushing through the head. Everything should still be in the back of the shoulders as we press up. When we're done, coming down, drop those hips and drop the weight straight down. Remember, we're not going out to the side because we don't want to make our rotator cuffs explode off the bone. So that is our hips elevated floor press, guys. Like I said, you might find that you do want to hit a little bit more of the pec. It's not going to make a huge difference. We'll target it a little bit. However, you may find that hips elevated is better if you've got an angry shoulder. So that could be the change there. Anyway,